How to log into your Webull account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log in or sign in to your Webull account. So first thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for webull.com, which will land you or take you to this page, which is the official website of Webull account. So now just tap on this login button. Since you have already registered your account, then just enter your email if you have used your email login, or if you have used your phone number just based on your country, just enter your phone number just like this. And once you enter your phone number or your email, and simply enter your password just like this, and make sure your login credentials are correct. And once you do all of that, just click on login to successfully sign into your account. And if you ever forget your username or password, you can just tap on either of these account or either of these options here to successfully reset your both username as well as your password and just re-login with your account just like that. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.